Hey YouTube crew, Gorilla and I are in the Amazon rainforest, and what do you think we'll find here? Come along with us.
Look at the size of this river. How are we gonna cross it? Think of something, my brother.
Thank goodness we got this boat. Let's get through quickly because there are giant anacondas here. Hey Gorilla, why are they getting agitated? Woo. Something strange is happening here. Let's go. Our big gorilla, look at the size of that snake. We're gonna die. I told you there were snakes in this river. Hey YouTube crew, did you see the size of that snake? If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.